So, our product, Acid Away, will help your buildings and statues because the clear granite glaze won't react with the acid rain. Unlike calcium carbonate, we will now present what acid rain does to calcium carbonate. It's on you.
Okay. I won't cut the chalk 1 centimeter. Okay. Show you. I don't know if you can see it. Well. Okay.
Don't cut me.
I'm not. Okay.
Now we're going to measure the water in the vinegar. Meniscus.
There's somebody in there.
Milliliters. 25 milliliters. And you of water by the shadow called the meniscus.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's so
Yep.
Okay.
That was nice. Vinegar. Don't do that. Now you're gonna measure the vinegar. The same
The
thing.
same thing.
Now we're going to measure the vinegar. Let me help you. To 25, yes. To 25 milliliters.
You got it?
Now we're going to place the chalk into the vinegar and the water and time it for 5 minutes. You can't even see it though. There you go. Push it down some. The camera down. Now we just wait. Looks like that's dissolving. It stinks.
It do.
Yeah. We can write down our observations, can't we? Yep. Where's our observation? Right here. The water is not doing anything, just bubbling.
When you guys get talking, when that gets done, let me talk. Because I'm going to tell something. Is that a good idea?
Neither one of them are doing anything. The vinegar was dissolving at first, but now it's just sitting there.
That's dissolving. Let's break it down.
at 2 minutes and 41 seconds. I don't see no changes.
The vinegar broke it down a little bit. The water ain't doing nothing.
No, I think it was broken down when you cut it.
Yeah, that was already like that. But it was like
Well,
you could see,
yeah.
you could see it dissolving in there
Yes.
at first, but now it's not doing anything.
Yeah, that's dissolving a little bit. Still, but just like a little bit.
It looks like it's breaking off.
Yeah.
What's that tell you about our tap water?
Sucks.
Wow.
It's not distilled enough.
It was breaking down. Trying.
The color is just coming off. It's just breaking off in there. The water looks like it's breaking it down more than the vinegar.
That shouldn't happen.
No, vinegar is breaking it down.
Man, that vinegar stinks.
Yeah, the vinegar broke it down a little bit. Now it's not doing nothing.
Dump the chalk off of your spoons before you take it out and put either the towel or the tissues in front of your cups so that you can show exactly what happened to both of them.
6 seconds.
Okay, so one of you needs to
I
be
need a-
ready to take the vinegar one out. Get the
Spoon.
other spoon. There you go.
Okay, now
Okay.
we're going to show what happened.
Okay. Which one's definitely smaller?
Vinegar.
Vinegar.
Vinegar one. Vinegar.
Yep. Is the vinegar one easy to break down?
No.
Oh, really? Is it pudding?
It's kind of smushy.
Yeah.
Looks smushy.
It's probably easier than the other one.
Now you try that.
That's as hard as it was before.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So see if you can break the vinegar one apart a little bit. See?
Okay.
Can't do it.
That one's
Okay.
a lot harder to break apart. But easier than it probably should be after being in water. So you might want to make some observations about our water too. Because does anybody remember what the pH of the vinegar is?
4.
Right. So our water's pH should be around 6, but it seems to be a lot worse than that. A lot more acidic than that. Okay. And that's our Flint tap water, folks.
Don't drink it, y'all. Now be in the hospital.
Right.
All right. Now, Lisa, show us the similarity between your pictures.
Okay, so kind of like the vinegar broke down the chalk more than it did the water broke down the chalk. It's kind of like a similarity to picture 3 because after a while, after the acid rain got on the statues, the statues started to blister and started to break down after like so many hours or so many days, and it just started to peel off and break off. So that's kind of what it's showing here. It's showing all the rocks that had blistered off and is now like on the ground, and there is no more left of that like statue. So I think that's the similarity between what happened in this demonstration and between the pictures that I have here on this poster board.
So other than buying clear granite glaze, what can people do to help reduce the possibility of acid rain?
Don't put stuff on the ground.
like
buy stuff with calcium carbonate.
Okay, but what could we do to prevent the sulfur dioxide and nitric oxides from going into the air in the first place?
No, shit.
Not polluting.
Not polluting?
yeah, and like these factories out here, they cause more pollution than anything. So maybe like reduce factories a little bit, like because all the factories like are making the polluted air, and that's what. brings
What
together all
what
this-
about cars?
Yeah, that too. But I mean, you can't. I mean, it's impossible to do. I mean, shoot.
Well, we can have
Cars,
more
no money,
fuel
no factories, no money.
fuel efficient cars
Yeah.
and cars with better gas mileage.
Yeah.
Like when we did the Best in Show project and showed that some of the cars have better gas mileage than other
Yeah.
cars.
Yep.
So
Yeah, and-
electric cars.
And for like the factories, like I think like they should like not make like so many factories or like reduce what they make that makes the polluted air.
Do you
or like the
what? So like maybe filters or scrubbers that
Oh,
clean
yeah.
clean
Clean
the
the area
pollution
so they
before
don't-
they put
so
it
they
out
don't
into the
go
air.
up and pollute.
Yeah. Or
Okay.
even goes out into the
All
air.
right. Very good. Let's go ahead and zoom in on your beautiful poster and the end result.
The water.